Today we are making a paper bracelet for little girls. We have chosen green, pink and yellow for our paper bracelet, but you can choose any colours that you like. So we've cut 3 long strips of colours. So we got a long strip of yellow, a long strip of green and a long strip of pink. And we are going to stick with some glue stick the ends together. See what we did there? Kind of like a fork. Use our scissors to trim away the little excess bits. Always ask for permission when using scissors. And now we're going to braid our paper together, kind of like we braid our hair. And we're just going to fold them over the top of each other. Nice and gently. Can you see what we're doing? Just fold them around each other like so. Try and keep it as neat as possible. Just keep folding and braiding the paper all the way to the top. And then once you're at the top, glue the ends together so that it stays together, because we don't want all our hard work to unravel. I'm going to cut off the excess. Make it look nice and neat. And now we're going to fold the ends like this. Take a little bit of paper, whichever colour you like. We've chosen yellow. And we're going to make a little loop around our bracelet. And with a a little bit of glue. We're going to stick that down. I'm going to fold the ends to look like little triangle points. And then we're going to glue those ends down so those triangle points don't come unraveled. And then we're going to connect our bracelet just like so. Perfect! And it fits just round your wrist. Why don't you give it a try? Make your very own paper bracelet. And don't forget to send us in your submissions so that we can see the amazing work that you have done. Time for Let's Show Your Art. This part of the episode is where we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts that you have sent in. Today's art was sent in by Mohammed. This looks like a Chinese lantern. It looks amazing. I love the glitter and the choice of stickers. Excellent job, Mohammed. Well done. If you would like to send in photos of your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch our new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!